Problem 39, we will use the data in exercise 27. So in problem 27, we have the table. So I already copied the table in here. In part A, we want to construct a frequency polygon. To construct a frequency polygon is a line graph. And to wrap a line, we need to have points. So we will have x, comma y for a point. We need to make x and y. So first of all, the pattern average and the frequency. So the y part will be the same frequency. So we got those number again. So what all you need to do is for the y part, just copy those number from the problem. And for the x part, which is the pattern average, because we need to have just one single number. This is a lot of number, right? So we need just one. So what do? Is we want to choose the middle one. You remember to do the middle. You will, from this, you will add them up, the lower class limit and the upper class limit. So we add them together. So we will get 0.379, and then we divide this number by 2. Since you look at the problem, this problem has 3 decimal places, and our problem have 4. So if you want, we should round it to 3 decimal places. So that would be 0.190. And you do similar. That means you will add these two numbers together and divide it by 2. So you will get 0.210. Or the other way is you just keep moving on by adding 0.02, which is the class width. Okay. So I just keep adding 0.02 instead of finding the middle for each class. Okay, and so on. Now, to draw the polygon, you need to have the pattern average, which is in the horizontal, and the frequency will be the vertical. So you begin from 0.190, and the next one is 0.210. The next one is 0.230. You notice that for the difference between those numbers is 0.02. So they are equal distant. So you just keep labeling. And then the frequency, we look at the frequency number. The highest number is 59. So you may want to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and you can stop at 60 actually. Okay, so for the first one, this is your x comma y. So 0.190 comma 4. So we have like this point. And then 0.210 comma 14. So like this. You're gonna connect these 2 points. The next one is 41. And then you just keep moving on and connect the points. In part B, we want to construct a relative frequency polygon using the same classes. The difference between part A and part B is in part A, we use the frequency number. In part B, it's still polygon, but we need to use a relative frequency. So what do you do is the x part will be the same, and the y part we need to change those number to relative frequency. Change this to relative frequency. And remember how to do it. We need to total, and then we take 4 divide by the total. 14 divided by the total. You can either use the decimal number or the percent.